Schools, homeschools, teachers, principals, students, and team leaders, welcome to this year's STEM Day Challenge. Our challenge for you is to engineer a dropship that must do 3 things.
It must push a marker on a 55-foot line only 50 feet, not going any past. It must make a supply drop, land on a designated target, a clay ball. And it must go in reverse away from the marker you have placed on the line. Let's jump right in. The foundation for the challenge this year is to build a mode of transportation. The supply ship, as we call it, needs to go down a 55-foot fishing line via a mode of propulsion.
Just to clarify, the supply ship cannot be human assisted in any way. And if it goes past the 50 feet on the line, no points will be awarded. And don't worry about having to travel the max 50 feet, because if you see in our scoring video, only traveling 7.5 feet will score you half the points.
The next hardest objective is the supply drop. You must find a way to add a contraption in order to drop a clay ball the closest to a target you can.
The target will be 20 feet away from the start. Points will be awarded to those who drop the clay ball in a 10 feet radius. By far, the hardest aspect of this year's STEM Day Challenge is the supply ship reversal. After pushing the marker down the line, the supply ship now needs to travel back, going towards the starting line.
This is presumably a tough challenge, but please note our only comment on this is to make sure to know how the scoring works, said in our scoring video. This isn't the most amount of points you can get, so do not stress about it.
You'll be given a kit of parts to build your supply ship with. The materials are listed on the screen now. You can use any outside materials as long as they follow Rule 8.
What's Rule 8? You can watch our contest rules video after this one, and you can read the rule packet for more details. On this day, we would like to honor those who were in the Pearl Harbor attack. You can show your respect by decorating the pit, which is a 6-foot long table, by showing the research you did on the attack.
Decorations can include poster boards, photos, and other decorations that directly honor the attack. Make sure that your decorations are reasonable and appropriate. While working on this project, make sure you document everything in your engineering notebook. Make sure to include your team's designs, ideas, sketches, any step taken to finish this project. Make sure you document everything neatly.
Try following an engineering notebook format to stay consistent, whether it be ideas, details, or test fails. We would like to see how your mind can go through the engineering process. This concludes our 2024-2025 STEM Day Challenge. Please watch our video on how scoring works and our 2 short videos on the rules.
Thank you for taking the time to considering STEM Day, and happy engineering!